Hey, this is Prashant, and once again, welcome back to my channel. So, today we'll be dealing with one of the lab related to DOM accesses. So, instead of waiting time, let's dive into the lab. Okay, let's copy the URL, open PubSub, paste this, and let's see how the search functionality behaves. So, let's search for hats. Okay, the result it is showing hats. That's fine. Whatever we are entering, we are able to see that as an outcome. Let's see whether it is encoded or not. Okay, we are able to see the input, but nothing alert is popped. So we can assume that encoding for the output is in place. So to dig deep, let's get into the suite and examine the path. Okay, this is not okay. This is the one scripted. Let's take it to the repeater. Yes, and what it is. Okay, okay. Oh, is this the one? Yes. Okay, here this is the one. This is the thing we search for, but instead of lesser than and greater than, it is encoded. See, you can see ampersand LT, which means lesser than. This is encoded form. Similarly, ampersand GT is greater than. So the HTML is not taking this as a element. So it is not triggering of or alert. Okay. Okay. So as the lab mentioned, it is DOM based. So we need to see what is in the script. This is the script. Okay, we have a function. Whenever we load the page, unless we call this method, the function won't be triggered. So let's keep this function aside for first glance. Okay, we have a variable query. Okay, he is searching for a class name search. So first we need to make sure where is this class search. Here you can see this is a class search, right? Okay, is getting, we have a form inside that class and we have the input field. Okay, this is the thing where we enter like hacks and whatever you enter, this is the thing that captures. So he, within the script, he is taking whatever we are entering. This is the line for that. And if we query is not empty, means what if we entered something, it is not empty, he is calling this function. We have seen this function here, right? Okay, we have function and is passing our inputted field, and he is attaching to this tag. And okay, you know what document dot write does, it will embed this thing with to the application. Okay, this is the query which we do have hold on. So we need to think, by modifying the query we will be able to write this tag. So for first we need, let's copy this and examine that in depth. Okay, he is writing image tag. So we need to get a brief understanding how image tag was. Like are there any attributes that we can make use of? Okay, this is image tag. Source is from which source the image should be rendered, and alt meaning if this is failed, this is alternate a solution, like you can say girl in jacket. Like if you search for some hat, and if this link is deprecated or it is not available, the next thing is whatever you mention in the alt, it will see, you can see that in the page. Okay, let's get deep into what and all attributes that image provides. Okay, we have source. Okay, we have global attributes and event attributes. Let's open both of them and see whether which attribute is helpful for us. Okay, we can pass access data array hidden inert. Okay, pop over. Right. On after before on error. So this could also be useful when you can make the image uh, point to a different location and it triggers an error. So this if you embed this, it will trigger. So it is also useful. Okay. This thing is whenever the file loads, like for on error we have to do additional work, but for onload it is straightforward. Okay, onload is an attribute which takes a method. Here we want to trigger alert method, right? Okay, we can use alert method. Now we need to modify how the query should be like. Okay, the inputted query should start with, first we need to close this source attribute, right? So it started with quotation mark. Let's it we should also start with quotation mark so that it will get closed. And we have to inject our own attribute which is onload. Okay, onload equal to and the method that we intend to call quotation mark. We want alert and it should end with the quotation mark. If you look closely, it is already ending with the quotation mark, so we can remove it. Okay, this is the modified thing. Let's copy it. So internally how it looks is it looks like this. So this is the source tag which ends here. After this loading, our onload attributes triggers, which is to call the alert method. Let's directly do this here. No response. Okay, this session is timed out. So what we can do is we can copy paste the URL or we can add it here only. Okay, the session is timed out. Okay, let's access the lab again. Yeah, let's paste here the modified thing. Cool. We can able to trigger the alert method. I hope you understood. Thank you for watching. And you can see use